Hello everyone. So we have a good question from the chapter of limits. Okay. So let me just write down this question for you in case it's not very clear. So this is what it looks like. Limit x tends to 0, x to the power minus 3 sine 3x plus a. Let me do one thing. Let me just write it in this particular format. Okay. So as you can see, this current limit, this particular portion of the limit is in the form 0 by 0. This is in the form of some constant by 0, and this is simply b. Okay, so we now need to do something in order to get this make this equation solvable, make this limit solvable. So what I can do is uh, I can write the sine 3x. No, I can expand this. Okay, I can write the Maclaurin series for this particular question. So let me tell you how you can memorize the Maclaurin series of sine x. Okay, so you know sine x is an odd function, right? Sine minus x is minus sine x, right? So the expansion will be x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial. Again we have got minus, and this will continue, right? So the power over here, every term will be raised to the power of an odd number here. Okay, so yeah, let me just write this. This will look something like limit x tends to 0, 3x minus 27x cube by 6 factorial plus, we can write this till infinity, right? This will be added. Okay, so this entire thing is divided by x cube, right? And we have got a by x square plus b. So again, limit x tends to 0. If we now multiply this x cube on every side, so we will have 3x minus 27x cube plus till infinity over here plus ax plus bx cube, right? This entire thing divided by x cube. Now you see, suppose let me just divide this first term, that is 3x with x cube. Okay, we will get 3x by x cube, and upon simplification this will be 3 by x square, right? Now there is no possible way in which you can resolve this limit, right? This will be, it will tend to infinity. It makes no sense, right? So uh, something must be done in order to get all the terms of x, or that is any term which which has got something less than x cube, like say x or x square. Okay, we need to get that to 0. So we can see we have got two terms containing x. One is 3x, the other one is ax, right? So we have to equalize this to 0. Why? Because you cannot divide this with x cube, right? The limit cannot be resolved. We need to resolve the limit, right? So in that case, what we will do is 3 plus a is equal to 0. So a is equal to minus 3. One part of the question is done. Now we need to find b, right? So since this part of the question is done, let me just remove this 3x and this. Okay, so this is what is left right now. And okay, so I think in the question it has been given that this limit exists and is equal to 0. Okay, the value of this limit is 0. So when I now divide everything with x cube, when I divide all the terms with x cube, this will basically be 27 plus something into x cube, I guess, and then something into x to the power 6. This term, this series will continue till infinity, right? Plus till infinity. And over here we will have a b, right? Okay. So I'm sorry, not 27, 27 by 6. It should be 27 by 6 over here. Okay. Yeah. So now when you put x equal to 0 in this particular expression, right, all of these terms will be 0. So what is essentially left is 27 by 6 plus b is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of b will be minus 27 by 6. Upon dividing this by 3, we will have minus 9 by 2. So that is your answer. The value of b is minus 9 by 2 and the value of a is minus 3. Thank you.